Alright, hello. My name's Antonio Robinson, and here's my major career and plan ideas. So here's a picture of me in the middle. I played trombone. I did marching band in high school, and I also played football. I was the first person in my school history to do both for all 4 years. So that's just a personal picture of me because of how important that was to me and everything I went through for that. And I just loved playing, or I just loved doing both and just performing in front of a crowd every week. So I want to be basically along the lines of a mental health social worker. So for that, they'll basically talk to clients through therapy and they'll see like what social factors are basically influencing their lives and how to basically like help make their lives better. So social factors being like the relationships they have to their family, their friends, their community, their neighborhood, whatever, and also like just what community they live in, if it's a safe or unsafe environment that also plays a part in their mental health. Um, I just want to basically help people in that way. And like I said, it just helps those with mental illnesses lead fulfilling, independent lives. It also improves mental health issues and their well being. I want to be that spark in these people's lives, per se. Um, so I don't know if I included it in this presentation or not, but it's one of the jobs that in the chapter reading it says you could get with a bachelor's degree in psychology. So that's kind of where I found it. So, relation to my 4 year plan. So, I'm taking classes such as Intro to Social Work, Sociology, History and Systems of Psychology, Research Methods, Performance Psychology, Social Psych, Psychology of Emotion or Motivation, Child and Adult Development, and Sociology of Family. So, these classes, they'll help me better understand the development of the child and the adult so I can better know how to hopefully help them and see what they're going through and emphasize with them. And also just sociology of the family, especially like how the family can have an impact on the individual. And hopefully these classes will just overall really help me really in any job that I may pursue if I don't stick with the mental health of social work. So why did I choose psychology? I was really unsure of what other career I would follow or choose going into college, and I didn't want to just do like general ed required or classes for now. Um, so psychology, I've always been kind of interested in that, just how the human body or how humans are, and learn more about ourselves. And I want to learn how to better help those in need. And I just thought I would have a deep interest in the field. And then comparing those reasons to reasons in chapter 13, we both kind of, like it said, we have an interest in psychology. A bachelor's degree in psychology I thought would really help me get a job, no matter what type of job it is, because psychology is an important degree. I want to like kind of figure myself out, and I can see myself maybe being a professional social worker or a sociologist or psychologist, something along those lines that are kind of like helping people. And also, just psychology is a good degree to have. So, yeah, that's really it.